Welcome to this lesson on decomposition reaction patterns. In this video, we'll define what a decomposition reaction is. We'll also review the most common types and also look at the balanced chemical equations for each one of them. So first of all, what is a decomposition reaction? Well, it's a single compound that splits into two or more substances. So first up, we have binary compounds. So this one's the most simple out of all of them. It's actually the general rule. So we've got a compound that splits into two different elements. So we got A plus B. So in the example here, I've given you guys mercury 2 oxide, which splits into liquid mercury and oxygen gas. For number 2, we have the decomposition of metal carbonates. So here we have a metal that mixed with a carbonate, and when it separates, it becomes a metal oxide with carbon dioxide. So here I have calcium carbonate that split into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Next, we have the decomposition of metal hydroxides. So for this one, we have a compound that has a metal and hydroxide in it, and it splits up into metal oxides plus water. So for this one, the example is calcium hydroxide splitting into calcium oxide plus water. Let's look at number 4. Next, we have the decomposition of metal chlorates. So for this one, again, the metal is mixed with a chlorate, and it splits up to become a metal chloride with some oxygen gas. So the example here is potassium chlorate splits up to become potassium chloride and oxygen gas. And lastly, we have the decomposition of our acids. So for this one, we have a compound that's written as an acid, and for this one we have a nonmetal. So this nonmetal splits off to become a non-metallic oxide and water. So here in this example, we have carbonic acid that is turning into carbon dioxide and water. So this one's pretty easy to spot out because this is the only one that's going to have a non-metal in it. And that's all the decomposition patterns. If you want, make sure that you write these down. These are the patterns that will help you. These are summarized. We will be using these in examples. All right. Bye, everybody.